Hi, I am Reddaiah Kancharla, currently working as a DevOps Engineer in Coding Tutor. In this code walkthrough, I will explain how DevOps Engineer will monitor the servers, applications, and Docker containers, and how they set alerts when something goes wrong. Don't worry, I will explain everything in detail. Here I am taking two servers. One is application server and another one is monitoring server. In application server, my application is already running. In monitor server, I will install the exporters and Prometheus and Grafana. Why? Because of why here I am taking two servers, because of if I install everything in one server, if it is goes down, so how I can the get the alerts. So that's why for best practice I take two servers. So I will show the demo of the application. Is sample application. So we can monitor the application and server and Docker containers by using exporters, Prometheus and Grafana. So that's why first I will install the exporters. For application level metrics, we need black box exporter. First, go to the prometheus.io/download. Select the copy the Linux address, and first update the server. By using wget we can install the file. So it's installed. We need to extract this by using tar -xvf black box. Here x stands for extract, v stands for verbose, I mean it will show the number of files extracted, f stands for this file name. So it's extracted. Here name of the black box exporter is long, so it's difficult to recall it. So we need to rename this. So I rename it. So go to the black box exporter, start this black box exporter script file /black box exporter, and here / stands for to run a script in current directory, and stands for it will run the script in background. So we can access this. First we need to allow the port numbers. I already allowed the port numbers for different for cat manager, for Grafana, for application, for Prometheus, black box. Here black box exporter port number is 9115. Copy the public IP address, enter it. So it's working. Next, we need to install the node exporter for monitoring the server level metrics like CPU utilization and memory utilization and disk usage. So same, go to the prometheus.io website and copy the Linux address link. Install in application server. Because of why? Because of we need application server metrics. So that's why I'm installing here. Installer, extracting, renaming, go to node exporter directory, start the script, and it will start in background. So it started. Its port number is 9100. So it's working fine. Next, we need to install the CADvisor exporter for container level metrics. For CADvisor, we need to go to the search it like CADvisor Linux download in Google, and you can find this GitHub repo. Scroll down, use this link and download this. But I have the separate link, so I will go this link. Go back one level and install it. Why I installed a node exporter in application server? Because of my Docker container is running in application server, so that's why I installed it here. Here CADvisor port number is 8080. Copy that. It's running. Here all these exporters will expose the data in this HTTP endpoint. Not only this, node exporter also. Any exporter will expose the data or metrics on over an HTTP endpoint. But here problem is this exporters doesn't store the data in anywhere. So by solving this, we need Prometheus. Prometheus is a open source tool, monitoring tool. It will scrap the metrics from exporters. Here exporters will post data in HTTP endpoints. Prometheus will scrap these metrics from these endpoints and store in time series database. So that's why we need Prometheus. Same website, prometheus.io.download. And download it in monitoring server. Go back one level, install it. By using wget, we can install any file from URL. And tar rename the Prometheus. So I remove the unnecessary files here. So I removed those two files. Here I have Prometheus, cd Prometheus, change directory to Prometheus. Here we have the prometheus.yml file. We need to set all the configurations in this file, like adding exporter URLs in this file. So I will show Prometheus. So this is the file. We need to add exporters data here. I already have the data configure edited, so I will copy paste. I'm overriding the Prometheus.file. Don't worry, I will explain how to add. Here scrap interval means it's 15 seconds evaluation interval. I mean it will scrap the data in every 15 seconds. Here alert manager. So I didn't install the alert manager till now, so I will install next. So first we need to go to the Prometheus. Here we need to give the Prometheus public IP and port number. So here my Prometheus is running on monitoring server. So I will copy this public IP. Paste it here. Oh, sorry. Next, node exporter and cadvisor is running on application server. So I need to copy the application server public IP. Cadvisor is also running in application server. So here also I'm giving application server public IP. These are all default port numbers for the exporters. For black box, here I need to give the application path URL. So here my application is running. So this is the path. So I copying this path. Or else I will change only public IP, application server. Go to application. So port number is same. So I will change the public IP only here. Next one is my black box exporter is running on monitoring server. So I need to give here monitoring server public IP. That's it. Configuration is done. Here till now I didn't install the alert manager. So first I will install the alert manager here. And go to prometheus.io.download and select the Linux address, link address, and download it in monitoring server. By using wget we can mod it. I'm extracting it. Oh, I'm renaming this to alert manager. I'm changing directly to the alert manager. Here I have one file, alertmanager.yml. So I am going back, just I installed this. Here my alert manager is running on monitoring server. So I need monitoring server public IP. Change this IP in target. And one more thing is we need to create the alert rules.yml file because of for getting the alerts. So I will create alerts rules.yml file. That's it for this Prometheus.yml file. I added all exporters here on node exporter, Cadvisor and black box. In target we need to give the public IP of that server and port number followed by. In black box exporter, in target we need to give the application path. So I'm saving it. So here I will create alerts rules.yml file. And go to Google and search it alerts rules configuration file in Prometheus. So you can find this website. So I will show how to find it. Search it alert rules in Prometheus and click on this link alerting rules and go to this website and copy this one. This will send alerts when CPU status CPU is exceeding then limit. It will send the alerts to our mail ID, and also if application is down it will send the alert to our mail ID. So I already have that file, so I copied it. I'm pasting it here. So I will explain what is this. First, here I added two alerts. First one is when application is down, it will send the alert alert the application is not responding like that. So it will check the endpoints when every 30 seconds it will check the application status. And second alert is high memory uses. So generally in real time we set the limit when memory usage is greater than 75% or like this. Here I am giving only 10% because of I didn't install so many applications here. I am not using more than 10%. So I am giving here 10% only for demo purpose how it's triggered. When memory usage is greater than 10%, it will send the alerts to our mail ID, and for every 1 minute it will check the memory usage. So this is the alert rules YML file. So I am exiting that. Here we need to start the Prometheus script file. Copy the monitoring public IP and its port number is 9090. So we need to give the port number here 90. So go to the target health in status. You can find these all the metrics here: black box, Cadvisor, node exporter, and Prometheus. Clicking on this link, it will show the metrics data here for Cadvisor, for node exporter. So it will display like this, but it's difficult to understand this data. We can't able to understand, we can't able to monitor easily. It takes so much of time. So for this we have one tool like Grafana. It will visualize this data in graphs, bar charts, etc. It is easy to us to understand what's happening. So first we need to install the Grafana. Before that I need to start the alert manager. So okay, I will start after that. I will go back and search it, Grafana Linux download. Go to this link and copy this link. We can install, select the OS. Here I am using Linux, so that's why I am selecting this. Here problem is there's 12th latest version. It's not working for me. I don't know why. I have the 11th version, so I am using that. Extract it hyphen, okay, sorry, tar hyphen xvf Grafana. I am renaming this by using move command, Grafana to Grafana. So successfully I installed. So here I am removing the unnecessary files, rm lert. So it's looking clean now. So go to Grafana and bin directory. We need to start the Grafana. So here we have 3 script files. So start the Grafana -server script file /Grafana server, and it will run this script in background. Okay, it's running. And copy the monitoring server public IP its port number is 3000. Grafana default port number is, so it's working. Here default username and password is admin, so I am giving that. So we need to create a new password. I'm giving admin 123. So password is updated. See the Grafana dashboard. We need to import the dashboards for CADvisor, Node Exporter, and black box. Click on new, import, go to Google and search black box Grafana dashboard and go to first link. Here select this ID, paste it here and click on load. Why I am importing the dashboards? Because of it's taking so much time to create the dashboards. That's why I am importing predefined dashboards. So here select the we need to configure the data source. Here Grafana will scrap the data from the Prometheus, so that's why we need to configure the Prometheus here. Click on Prometheus, copy this Prometheus link, give it here. Because of Prometheus is running on this port, this path, so we need to give this path here and scroll down and click on save and test. So here data source is added successfully, and go to dashboards, again click on import, black box, copy this one, paste it here, click on load and select the Prometheus as a data source, click on import. It will import the dashboard with data which is available in Prometheus. So here it shows the status 200. It means application is running now, so that's why it's showing 200. The status is up, currently application is running. If application is down, it will show the status down. So it's all for now. Next I need to import I will remove this Node Exporter Grafana dashboard. I'm searching for Grafana Node Exporter dashboard. Click on this IP address, IP, and paste it here and click on load. Next click on import. So here it will shows the data in this charts. Here CPU utilization is 17.5%, RAM utilization is 22.6%, and file system utilization is 13.8%. So compare this one. Click on metrics. It will show the raw data only. It's difficult to understand. For next coming to Grafana, it will show the data in visualization by using these charts. It's easy to understand us. So that's the thing. So is done. Next we need to import CADvisor. Go to search Cadvisor, sorry, Grafana Cadvisor dashboard. Go to first link and copy this ID, remove this and paste it here, click on load and select the data source is Prometheus, click on import. So we can see the CPU utilization of containers, memory utilization, network, all this we can show everything. Here is okay. Prometheus exporters will expose the data in HTTP endpoints, and by using Prometheus we are collecting this data and store it in time series database, and by using Grafana we are visualizing the data. It's okay. For how to set the alerts, so we can do this by using alert manager. So I already installed the alert manager here. I need to run this. Yes. Go to alert manager. Here we have alert manager.yml file. So I will open alert manager. Here we need to set our email ID and an app password here. So I already have this file, so I copy the file. I will explain this, don't worry. Cat, I'm overriding the file alert manager YAML. So here keep it first line as same. In second line we need to give our email address, and third line also. In fourth line we need to give the app password, not about the Google account password. We need to create the app password. Go to the Google account first, click on manage your Google account, search here app password, select this app password. We need to verify it. So I already have one file, I deleted this, so I will create. Let's click on create. So this is the app password. So we need to paste it here. If we give the Google account password, it will not work because of there is so restrictions. So we need to create app password for this. Next is here we need to give seconds. I mean it will send the alerts to every 10 seconds. In receivers we need to name it like as Gmail alerts, and to here we need to give the Gmail and send resolution to. So it's done. Next one is you need to start the alert manager /alert manager, and it will run the alert manager in background. So alert manager is running on monitoring server. Alert manager port is 9093. So it's working fine. I will open my Gmail. So did I get the alerts or not? I will check. So it's triggered automatically. Why? Because of here will show why it's triggered. Here memory utilization is 22.7%. In my alert file, I give the 10% only. When it's exceed the 10%, it will trigger automatically. So that's why I'm getting the alerts. So show the alert. It will show like high memory usage. It's displaying data like is about 10%. Description is okay. And next, I'm intentionally stop the application, like if I get the alert or not. Here Docker is my application is running on Docker, so I will stop this container first by using Docker stop container ID. It will stop the application. So next, if I refresh it, it's not coming. So it's not running. So if I go to the Prometheus, advisor, Prometheus black box exporter, so it will show the status down because of my application is not running, so it will automatically status changes to the down. So I will check my email, so it's send the one email also to me. Yes, its time is 12:49. I get one notification, one alert. So here application is down. Why? Because of my application is down, so it will send the alerts to my mail. So this one is for application down, and this one is for CPU memory usage is greater than 10%. So that's why it's sending the alerts to my mail. It's all about these alerts. It will send the alerts to my mail when application is down, when the CPU utilization is more than 10%. So I will show, if I run the container, it will show the status is up. So I will start my container again. If I refresh, so it's running. So if can I go to this, so it changes to status to 200 and status is up. So it will not send the alerts to my mail because of application is running. When application is down, it will only send the alerts to my mail. So that's all about this exporters, alerts, and this Prometheus. And finally, I will give overview. Exporters will expose the data in this HTTP endpoints. So metrics are nothing but about a data. All exporters will expose data in HTTP endpoints. So here problem is exporters doesn't store the data in anywhere. So that's the problem. So by resolving this, we installing the Prometheus. Prometheus will scrap all this data from this endpoints. So for this we need to configure these exporters in prometheus.yml file. So next, Prometheus will scrap all the details, but it will also show the data like in raw data format. It's difficult to understand. For solving this, we have Grafana. By using Grafana, we can visualize the data in graphs, bar charts, etc., etc. We can easy to understand this by saying. So for alerts, we need alert manager, and it will send the alerts when something goes wrong. That's it all about this. Thank you.